Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes for an LLC partnership, step by step. First, you'll need to secure an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This unique 9-digit number is crucial for identifying your business for tax purposes and is required for opening a business bank account. Next, confirm your LLC's tax classification, which typically defaults to a partnership for multi-member LLCs, guiding your subsequent filing steps. The core of your LLC partnership tax filing is IRS Form 1065, the U.S. Return of Partnership Income. This vital document reports your partnership's financial activities, including all income, gains, losses, deductions, and credits for the tax year. Remember, Form 1065 is an informational return. The partnership itself does not pay income tax. Instead, profits and losses are passed through to the partners. Following the completion of Form 1065, each partner will receive a Schedule K-1. This crucial document outlines each individual partner's specific share of the partnership's income, deductions, credits, and other financial items. Partners then use the information provided on their Schedule K-1 to accurately report their portion of the partnership's financial outcomes on their personal income tax returns, typically Form 1040. Beyond federal obligations, remember to address your state tax requirements. Each state has unique rules for LLC partnerships, often requiring separate income tax returns or annual fees. Be sure to research your specific state's regulations to ensure full compliance. Mark your calendar. The federal filing deadline for Form 1065 is typically March 15th, though extensions are available if needed. Plan ahead to avoid any late penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.